Hey, this is my bike check. This is like my 5th time doing it because I keep on getting interrupted. So if it sucks, just deal with it. 21-inch Eastern Grim Reaper frame in red. I like it pretty much. Pretty good so far. FLYTE bar ends, plastic or nylon or whatever they're making them out of these days. I don't like the metal ones. RUBEN grips, 155mm. Pretty good if you ride gloves. If you don't, I don't really recommend them because they slip pretty easily. They're not really all that grippy because those things aren't really all too high or whatever, but whatever. Animal PIFF bars, nice and small, good for my bar spins. Because it's so short, I got the Shadow Strike top load stem in blue with an Eastern Vortex top cap, and if I misname anything, just deal with it. I kind of did in my last bike check, so whatever, you guys know what I mean. Simple Monarchy forks. I got them from John. They were black and white, and then I painted them blue, and then I painted them black, and then they kind of are multicolored now. Eastern, see, I'm already misnaming parts. GSPORT plastic peg. This is the 5th time I've done this, so just deal with it. GSPORT plastic peg with a GSPORT plastic MK3 hub guard. Shadow Raptor hub. It wobbles on me, but whatever. Shadow spokes with a Shadow stun rim, front and back. And I just got this ODYSSEY AIKEN P-LYTE tire couple days, weeks, whatever ago. I'm liking it so far. It's pretty good. Why do I keep on saying Eastern? Dan Street / Trails tubes in the front and back. This bike check sucks. I think that's everything for the front. Here we have the Demolition team pedals, the magnesium. Stupid focus. Okay, there we go. They wobble on me, but whatever. They're pedals and they're not plastic, so they work. Here we have the PRIMO power bike crank arms. Got them from John used. I like this crank arm and that crank arm and the spindle because, you know, that completes the set of cranks, and it's a good set of cranks. No problems with them. Eastern Medusa sprocket. I've had it well over a year. Probably the best sprocket you can get for 20 bucks. Seeing as how mine's lasted me a year. So yeah, KMC chain. Got the rubber in the in the spindle, bottom bracket, whatever you want to call it, to help my cranks not spin. PRIMO 330 seat post, cut down a little bit. PRIMO balance seat. We got a spoke right here and a spoke right here. Otherwise it like moves more than what it did just there. And it's duct taped, but it's a good seat, so whatever. I got it from Chance. Front wheel from Raymond. I got those cranks and the forks and the bars from John, and the seat and the pedals from Chance. I think that's everything. Just a shout out to all you guys. And then my ALIENATION Rush version 2 FREECOASTER hub. Had it since Halloween of 2008. I'm liking this hub a lot. Really good. PRIMO spokes, burgundy, laced to the shadow stun rim. I'm losing my train of thought here. And we have a MAXXIS Miracle folding tire, 20 by 2.1. That's 20 by 2.25. I like it big in the front and small in the back. That way, you know, I got more traction up there, and the back's just the back. Let's move over here. It's Ted. He's a beast. He's missing an eyeball though. My bike is just about to fall over, so if it does, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bike. I'm sorry. Here we have the Animal MK3 peg. It's worn down a little bit, but I like this peg. It's a good peg. You know, it slides well and all that stuff. And then you got an FBM hub guard. It's a good hub guard, you know, it doesn't dent or anything, and you know, it's just there to protect my hub and my spokes. That's what hub guards do. So that is my bicycle that I ride every day when it's not raining, like it is right now. But you can't tell because it's not pouring. Last night it was freaking pouring. Oh my goodness, I hate Washington, but that's my bike. Enjoy it. Like it, hate it, talk crap about it, say how beautiful it is, all that stuff you do. Have fun.